So today we are going to solve exercise 2.1 of ML Agarwal. I'll try to solve as many sums as possible. First we will be starting with 1 part 1. 1 part 1 they have given you 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. Now in this type of sum you'll always have to focus on how to make this power positive. To make this power positive, what we'll have to do? We just reverse the fraction. What do? We just reverse the fraction. The fraction which they have given you, इसको reverse करने का है. So what we'll write over there? 5 by 3 to the power 2. Or we can do one more thing. You just divide it with 1. 1 divided by 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. So if you change this division to multiplication, it will be 1 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. The same we are getting. See? But it's just a flip process, so it will be very easy. So what happened? We just flipped it. We got 5 by 3 whole to the power 2. So now we can write 5 square upon 3 square. So we can easily write 5 square means 25 and 3 square means 9. So this will be the answer. You can change it to mixed fraction also. You will get 9 to the 18, 7 by 9. I hope this sum is clear to you. Now we'll move on to this sum number 1. Part 2 and part 3 variety is same. So now we'll move on to 2 part 1. Now in 2 part 1, what they have said you? They have given you a sum. I'll be doing 2 part 1 I'll do. Chalo. They have given you 2 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 1. Here the negative power knowledge will be probably the most clear to you. I'll make you understand. See, 2 to the power minus 1, as I said in the sum number 1, power negative we'll always have to change it to power positive. So we can write it as 1 by 2 to the power 1. Now here, this 4 to the power minus 1 by 4 to the power 1. And this 1 by 3 to the power 1 and whole to the power minus 1. This minus 1 we cannot change now, as we will change this total 3 fractions to a single fraction. Then only we can change it. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. So the LCM will be 12. I am not showing you the rough work of LCM, but you will have to show it for your school and exam. So the LCM will be 12. 2 6 times, 4 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 3 4 times and 4 ones are 4. So 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 by 12 to the power minus 1. Again you are having power negative over here. So power negative ko power positive we will have to do. So for that case we can write 12 by 13. This will be the answer. I think this is clear to you all. Now we will move on to number 3. 3 part 1 I will be showing you. Number 2, the rest of the varieties are same. If you are totally having any doubt, post it in the comment section and I will clear the doubt. Now we will move on to 3 part 1. 3 part 1 they have given you 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. Isn't it? Just remember one thing here, one logic you'll have to follow. Here by 4 is there na. So if, say, listen over here, 3 by 4 we are having, and if we get a 4 over here, means the same number as denominator if we get over here, we can easily reduce it. So we will get the whole fraction over here. Power fraction will be removed. So basically you'll have to remove the power fraction from here. So in that case 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. You will take the factors of 81. This whole to the power minus 3 by 4. Up to this I think the things are clear now. Now next what we are going to do, since it's 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4, we can write 3 by 2 whole to the power 4 into minus 3 by 4. Isn't it? Now this 4 gets cancelled. See, you will be left with 3 by 2 to the power. Don't forget this minus. This minus is over here. 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. Now what we can write? We can write, as I have said you earlier also, power negative is there. So we will have to make power positive. So for making the power positive, we just flip the fraction. So we can write 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Now 2 by 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. And 3 to the power 3 means 3 cube. That means 3 will be occurring 3 times. So we'll get 2 to the 4 to the 8 by 3. This is the 9 3s are 27. So 8 by 27 will be the answer. I think this 3-part 1 is clear to you all. Step by step I have explained you. If at all you are having any doubt, post it in the comment section so that I can clear in one or the other sum by taking the examples. Thank you.